I think it's heading towards these two levels.
Thank you very much for that. Well, it brings us to a close of today's trading session and a strong close. The Nifty ending above 25,300, a gain of nearly 200 points. But I think the Diwali...
Yes, in fact, let's go across to NSE where they will be ringing the closing bell from there. So let's cut across.
हाँ बजाएंगे ना लास्ट के Well, we are at the NSE, so no better day. And going by the market performance, it's a good day to ring the bell from here at NSE itself. The Nifty ends in the green yet again, and hopefully we get past that resistance mark that we're looking at. Well, gentlemen, we're almost there. 40 seconds to market close. The feedback that we've got has been it's been a pretty good day, Nimesh. And hopefully, in fact, those flows come back. FI is a net short in the system as well. And we've seen various pockets today that did well. Breadth of the market as well, fairly good. But we've got the final 30 seconds, I think, of trade. So let's wind down. 20 seconds to the end of today's trading session. And I'll tell you what, getting into the Diwali week, it appears the bulls, they're already in the festive mood. Lighting lamps is going to be starting next week. But I think for the time being, portfolios, they are brightening up at least. Well, let's go for the countdown. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that's, end of today's trading session, but we've got lots more to talk to our guest about. And since Vikas joined us a little later on the show, Vikas, you think the time has come, brighter times?
Okay, and we're going to keep getting all of that perspective soon enough. This is just a quick wrap in terms of what the markets did in today's trading session, and definitely a very good day because we had the Nifty, which closed above 25,300. No complaints coming in there, up around 178 odd points. We did recoup back above the levels of around 25,310, which was an earlier high that we had hit on the 10th of October. The midcap index up around 1% in today's trading session with a good advanced decline ratio, which stands at around 2:1 and has been steady for a large part of the trading session. In terms of specific stocks, we had a lot of the consumption plays doing well. So Nestle India comes out with numbers tomorrow, up around 4%. Asian Paints, which was up around 2.5%. And a couple of, even Trent, in fact, was up around 2.3%. Financials were the other ones which were in focus. So Bajaj Finance up 4%, Bajaj Finserv up around 2.5%. And on the downside, we had a couple of other stocks. Indices Bank, which comes out with its numbers this Saturday, that stock was down around 1.4%. We had Tata Motors X, the CV business, it was down around 1% post the demerger. That stock, went X demerger yesterday and showed a little bit of a downtake today. Separately, Infosys still to come out with its numbers, down around 1% in today's trading session. Telecom was down around 0.6% post its numbers. From the broader markets, what really stood out were a couple of these result reactions. So we had ICICI Lombard, which really stole the show with a 9% gain today. Persistent Systems, which was up around 7% in today's trading session. On the downside, Sion DLM lost around 6%, and we had a couple of others from the pharmaceutical space which did see some amount of profit booking. So Aurobindo Wockhardt stood out. KEC International also was down around 0.7% in today's trading session. But overall, good trading day. Start off to the countdown to the Diwali was definitely a positive. Let's see whether that sustains going into the next two trading sessions for the week. Well, it's a wrap on Closing Bell. Our special conversation with the market experts on Market Cafe continues next. Stay tuned.